Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, okay. Good.
Sir, myself Sakshi, here PRE executive. This is regarding feedback from the Germanten Hospital and services.
Yes. Okay. See, my wife underwent this total knee replacement operation, and we have very good results, and the doctors are very caretaking, and their hospitality is very good, and they are very much patient, and they are very good helpful to the patient. And,
Sir, what treatment and procedure you underwent at Germanten Hospital, sir?
yeah, as I told you, it was total knee replacement.
How was the treatment, sir?
It was very good.
Okay, thank you, sir. And any suggestion from your side about treatment, cleaning and response, ambience?
No, ambience is very good, and patient, nurses and other supporting staff, paramedical staff, they are also good, and we are happy with the treatment and all.
Sir, will you recommend this hospital to your friends and family?
Definitely, I will personally recommend to my friends and relatives to get the treatment from this hospital in orthopedic, especially what I have experienced here.